How to fix Amazon Prime video buffering problem. Hi everyone, welcome back. In this following tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can fix Amazon Prime buffering issue. In order to fix it, first thing first, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. So there might be several reasons for your buffering issue on Amazon Prime Video, and there are also various methods to fix it. The first thing is you can check your internet connection. So for that, you need to open up your settings application. After that, right on top you'll be able to see network and internet. Click on it. After that, on this page you'll be able to see whether you're connected to an internet service or not. And now if you're already connected to a Wi-Fi service or an internet connection, still you're facing this kind of issue, then what you can do is turning it off for 20 seconds, and after 20 seconds you can enable it and you might be able to fix it. And sometimes switching over your mobile data over to your Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi over to a mobile data might also be able to fix this kind of issue. And on the step number 2, what else you can do is you can also check for an update. For that, you need to head over to your Play Store and on the search bar type in Prime Video. After that, instead of open, if you see update, which means that the application needs to be updated, and after updating the application you'll be able to fix the issue. Apart from doing this as well, if you're still unable to fix it, you can just simply close the background app from your mobile device. After that, you can also clear the cache and storage for Amazon Prime Video. For that, long press on your Amazon Prime, click on the app info page and then click on storage and cache. Once you're on this page, click on clear cache as well as clear storage. Keeping this in mind, as soon as you click on clear storage, you'll be logged out of your account and all the history will be deleted. So basically, these were the steps on how you can fix Amazon Prime video buffering issue on your device. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.